an enchanting, intact forest landscape. A habitat with unique flora and fauna. A place with amazing nature in East Kalimantan, a province of Indonesian Borneo. This is the Lesan River Protected Forest, known in Indonesian as the Hutan Lindung Sungai Lesan. This 11,000-hectare forest area represents Borneo's tropical forest features. This forest is rich in biodiversity and full of exciting wildlife to enjoy. The Lesan River Protection Forest is home to 200 flora species, 52 species of mammals, including the Bornean orangutan, 180 species of birds, and 30 species of reptiles and amphibians. Due to its intact forest and high biodiversity, since 2017, Yayasan Operasi Wallacea Terpadu, or the Operation Wallacea Trust Foundation, has facilitated the development of the forest as an international ecotourism destination, which is managed by the nearby village and operated by the village business unit, known as Boomkang, or more popularly, BOOMDES. In collaboration with the UK-based ecotourism company Operation Wallacea, ecotourism at the Lesan River Protection Forest began in 2019.
So this year we brought out 140 students and their teachers from schools all over the world, including Japan, UK, Australia, Denmark and Sweden. As well as completing the surveys, it's also a really good eye-opening experience for the students, learning about the forest and what impacts they have even from other countries on cultures like this, and learning about the Dayak culture and getting to speak with the guides and form a really close bond with the local community here as well.
Community-based scientific ecotourism in the forest is so meaningful to the local community. Apart from increasing income, this ecotourism also enhances community participation in forest conservation and management.
Dengan adanya kegiatan wisata ini, ekonomi masyarakat semakin meningkat. Selain daripada masyarakat mendapat manfaat ekonomi dari kegiatan ekowisata ini, kita tentunya berharap hutan terus terjaga. Karena masyarakat ini dengan adanya kegiatan wisata ini, mereka sudah merasa mendapat keuntungan. Mereka tidak perlu lagi berpikir harus ke hutan, misalnya berburu atau apa sebagainya, karena mereka sibuk dengan, mereka merasa sudah cukup dengan pendapatan mereka di kegiatan ekowisata tersebut.
Operation Wallacea Trust OWT has set up this whole site. It's properly protected. It's got a lot of information. There's a lot of awareness about it, and it's now ready just to package so that people that are going at the moment to Derawan Island can now come and spend a night in the forest and wake up hearing gibbons calling or go and see orangutans in the wild. Without the work of OWT and work in the community to get them ready, none of this would be impossible. It's absolutely crucial.
Ecotourism is the most important meeting point between using environmental service and developing sustainable livelihood for local community. In condition, if the income stream from ecotourism will happen for the whole year, not only 1 or 2 months. Considering this, we will continue collaborate with the British government, with forest management unit, with village government, with the BOOMDES and local community to work together to intensify our effort to promote the potential ecotourism in the site. It seems to be this is the key choice to conserve this area and to avoid the conversion to oil palm plantation.
It's now been proven that ecotourism is the key to helping communities protect their forests. This is a strategic effort to involve local communities in order to save the remaining forest for the future of our one Earth.